This is what most of the CS students' preparation for placement looks like. 30 tabs open and somehow nothing is working. Asking friends, what's the plan? Well, they are with you. They are also attending the college for the first time. So even they don't have any idea. To-do list that keeps growing. I mean, somehow you collect information from Instagram, X or YouTube, and then you keep saving those stuffs but never opening it again. Somehow fine, you start doing something and you grind for hours without any direction. Same thing was happening to me as well. As a matter of fact, I was like so stuck with everything. So this one page changed everything. Welcome back, you guys. This is Ramya and you're watching Recreate. Today this video is about my Notion template. I'm gonna take you guys with me while I show how you can maintain your whole placement preparation in this. Let's go. See, placement season is not like a normal exam where there are some known questions and known answers that you can mug up and just go and give your placement exam. Companies will start coming from third year, and to my surprise, most of the students realize this very late. But I'll give you a difference. Me and you, two students starting the placement preparation today. Same time, same exact knowledge, let's assume, right? But I have a system and you don't. You don't even know what to do. After 7 days, you'll be like, I'm done. But me with a system, I am 250 days in already. I stopped relying on motivation. I just went all in with this one template. See, if you have no idea where to start, I'll give you a run through of my Notion template. So we are rolling out quite good newsletters. I wouldn't want you guys to miss them, so please check them out. I'll just display it on the screen. You can pause it and read it out if you want. Go on our website, and if you want these newsletters, just go and give your email ID here and just say subscribe and verify your email, and yeah, you will be subscribed to our newsletters and you'll get so many things from that. So yeah, stay tuned. Now finally they're clear. Green is what comes, and we have a direct link here itself. First thing what you have to do is you have to go here and duplicate it. So let me get my keyboard real quick. So I am gonna fill it out, as me being in my second year is this tab. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna write today's focus. What is my main focus for today? Okay, currently I'm just revising my fast API, so I'm just gonna write fast API and Postgres revision. So yeah, today's focus is on this, like a poster for Women's Day, Instagram carousel post to do. And then we move to weekly goals and monthly goals. These both will and then we come here. It's just a detailed view of all my databases which I have here. So it's called progress and tracking. DSA tracker, I solved my favorite problem which I solved on YouTube. That was factorial trailing zeros. I'll fill that, and then category it falls under is math, and then you say it's a medium level, and yeah, it's mastered. And any link you find useful related to that, you read it somewhere, you found a similar problem somewhere, so you can just link it out here whenever you want to read it out. And for notes, I'm gonna write that I solved it on my own for the first time. Happy. But and then I'm gonna also add and then comes skills tracker. So yeah, skills I would say is very important to a person when it comes to this world, because um, if you have a laptop, everything is a paying skill. If you know how to use a laptop, you know how to design on a laptop, how to code on a laptop. So better you start upskilling yourself with my skills tracker. So I would add I'm gonna add fast API. Yeah, it's a framework, Python framework. So I'm gonna add that, and I'm at an intermediate advanced level as well. So yeah, mastering, and it's also actively mastering right now. So that, and links and notes if I want to have any, so I can have them here. And then when you go to the project section, personal portfolio website, so I say I started it at, my notes is make it efficient, apply a good system design, curate or design that stays with the user. This is how lovely it becomes as soon as you sit and fill it out. I love using Notion. Source is the same thing again. I don't want to go through it again and bore you guys. And then we have a job application tracker, which I love again. So these are just pre-filled. Yeah, let me add my company, which I'm going. My company. Company where I'm going, it's like maybe X company. I'm a AI intern. Offer. It is very useful when it comes to a large scale, tracking. These are my notes which I used to make, and literally now that I'm studying fast API, I go through this. It should not feel less for you guys. When it comes to this, it's abundant. There's a lot of things. See this as well, Linux commands which I used, and then the hackathons. When it comes, I have listed down some websites where hackathons are easily found, and these are the views of those databases in a detailed manner on the first page. And then here I have a calendar which I love again. Project. That's how you add anything to the calendar. And after this is done, slowly just start filling, remove all this and put your own stuff into this. So this is how I would say start using the template. It will literally take you somewhere else. The person who stays organized, who stays accountable, who can see what work he has and do the work, that person is gonna win. Look, I'm gonna be straight with you guys. Placements are not gonna wait for you. You just have to be ready when they come. So companies don't care. Nobody cares if you're ready or not. It's only you. You are the ones who are going to start the preparation and who are going to save yourself from all that mess that's going to come. And the difference between the student who gets the offer and the student who sees them getting the offer is a difference of preparation, not even talent. Don't think you're getting some random template. It's like you're getting your months back, which you would have spent on figuring out things, but this is all there. You don't have anything to do here rather than just starting to work, getting the clarity of knowing what exactly you should do, and honestly you're getting a shot at not regretting.